Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to our A&I Siblings channel. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. We're gonna be trying the spicy noodle challenge. Alright, guys, so we finished making our ramen and it looks really spicy, it looks really red. And we added some chips to it just to make it fun. Because we love chips, right? Alright, go, we're gonna start eating. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Ooh.
Oh yes.
It's good, huh?
Ooh. It's getting.
This thing's really good, actually. I could eat this on a regular basis. Not even that spicy, actually.
It's getting to me. Oh my god. I'm done.
What the fuck did you just call me?
Okay. So,
They're pretty good.
some people ask us questions. We're gonna answer them right now. Someone asked me, anyone else outside of the family says you look like Mark Wahlberg?
Yes.
Actually, I've had that a couple times. A couple of people tell me I look like Mark Wahlberg. I don't know why. Do you guys think I look like Mark Wahlberg?
Oh shoot.
What do you think?
You're ugly. It's okay.
Oh my god.
Did I ask a question? Okay. Okay. Whew. Someone asked, what made you guys want to start a channel together? Go.
They asked you?
You wanted he wanted to start a channel, I guess, to try what crazy things on camera.
Just because we both like to eat weird stuff. We like to try weird things. We could eat anything weird. I don't know. So we try to make a video about weird stuff. So here it is, guys. It's kind of weird, spicy.
We like to try different
And
things.
I'm almost done.
What the? And like a whole bunch. Like you like.
Another question? I'm sweating.
Boogers. Okay, it's not as spicy as a chip. Nothing compared to a chip.
What made you like paisa music?
My dad.
Yeah, my dad. My dad's always like paisa music, corridos, banda. So ever since I was small, I used to listen to like Chanio Sanchez, which is what my dad introduced me to. And then from there on, I continue like eating stuff or whatever.
What?
I mean, eating stuff. Listen to corridos. Okay, your turn.
Okay. Someone asked, what's it like being siblings? I freaking spice out.
It's pretty fun, right? You get to mess around, play with each other.
It's fun but annoying. Okay, I got another one. Who's the favorite child? Me, I'm the favorite child. Me, you're not the favorite child. Ha!
I'm the favorite child.
I'm the favorite child.
Nope.
It's me.
Oh, look at guys.
It's him?
Okay.
Me.
Okay.
Jorge. Our other brother.
0.
0. The dogs.
My stomach's burning.
Timing very slow.
I like doing this. It pops.
Scooby-Doo pop!
I'm almost done.
And then, whew,
The chips make it fun. It's crunchy.
what's the funniest memory as kids?
What is it?
I don't know. You're like 50 years older than me. I don't know. We never really.
I'm only 24.
You're like 50.
24 and a half. Maybe 26. Bam!
Oh.
So, favorite memory as a kid? Oh, well, she wasn't born yet. One time, I grabbed the broom. I grabbed the broom. I was so tired of my sister's music. I grabbed the broom and I broke the
radio.
The radio, because it was a long time ago. So I broke the radio. My parents had just bought that radio and I just got the broom because I didn't like that song. They had played it and played it and played it and played it. I was tired of it.
I would go into the fridge and eat lots of cherries when I was a child. Look at it. Messy. Messy.
I'm done. Ow!
Two.
Look. What the? David, I got you. Did you make stomach? No. It's hot.
Parece like kids.
I think I'm done.
I'm not done. I need like most.
Hurry, hurry.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling my stomach is burning.
I asked more questions. I asked some.
Question. Oh, another question?
And we're gonna go eat right after this too.
So you asked who's the favorite child? My mom asked, ¿Por qué estás tan guapo?
He's not. He's the ugliest of all. 4 of us.
I'm just handsome. No, I'm just like handsome. You know? Someone asked, how you
My mom just lied to you. Bad.
Someone said, how are you such a good worker? I'm a good worker.
Me too.
I learned from my dad. My dad's such a hard worker. Actually, you know, work hard. Hard. Are you done?
Oh.
Hurry up.
Hey. Can I get my water? My special water?
Bro, look at this.
I'm spicy.
Look at this.
Cause you like
This,
spicy,
bro.
I don't like spicy.
Just take a big one and then that's it. We're done. Big one. I'm gonna fierro.
I have boogers.
Fierro. Just take a big one. Big one. Big.
I have boogers.
Come on. Bro. Big.
I can't.
Like this.
No. Is this fine?
No, like go like this. Boom,
No.
boom. Everything. Look.
You do that.
What do you guys think, guys?
Why don't it look like black?
Never gonna finish it.
One. No, do. We do a big one at the same time. That's it. We're done. Go. No, more.
No.
Go. One. 2, 3.
My lips burn.
That's nasty. That was soggy. I feel weird in my mouth.
I can't.
I'm watching way over here. I'm watching you.
2 hours later.
Almost done? Woo! Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video if you think it was fun. If you thought it was fun. Thank you guys. We'll see you guys next time.
There's boogers coming out of my nose.
You gonna try it?
No, man.
I need a napkin.